Hello guys, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. I'll show you how to craft a music piece that would fit in a post-apocalyptic movie or video game by walking you through a specific example I composed for this purpose. In this example, the key signature is F minor, the time signature is 4/4 time, and the tempo is 80 BPM. I won't show the entire chord progression, instead I'll highlight two specific chord pairs that help you create a bleak and dark atmosphere. The first one is a simple chromatic median. In a minor scale, I use the regular tonic minor, followed by a median chord, which is a major instead of a minor. The second chord pair is a bit unusual. It's a regular minor chord on the tonic and a major chord built on a note that is a half step below the tonic. I've heard these chord pairs in many pieces before, so they are not my invention. The first and the second violins play high notes, mostly a third apart. The violas provide harmonies, while the cellos and double basses supply the bass notes. The French horns and trombones play triads in open position along with the violas. For percussion, I use an epic bass drum, a mid-range drum, and a hi-hat-like drum. Let's listen to the percussion section. I created a lead, a pad, and a distorted bass synth sound. The bass synth follows the double basses, the pad provides triads, and the lead handles the main melody. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting and useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.